Madam, if you like more rice, just for less.
No, it's too much. Remove, please, remove. Hey, sayang po. Ako lang.
Ikaw lang ba, ma'am?
Oo, ako lang. Oh, it's only me. Baba is eating.